We are gonna go get a blizzard. I swear this place is always busy. Dairy Queen? Like, why is Dairy Queen always busy? Can I just get the smallest size Oreo blizzard? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, thank you. Mini Oreo blizzard?
How much was this? $4?
No, they're like 5 times.
Yeah, we eat and walk, so it's good to see it.
Really good. I just wrapped up a shoot day. The whole family's going. And she's in the back.
Very interesting book.
Emma, let's go at Pingles Farm.
Emma's water bottle. Nice water bottle. Emma, leave that alone. Leave that alone. Leave that alone. Emma's water bottle.
I don't know. Stuff you gotta do when you have a family, I guess. Would I come here for no reason? Probably not. Yeah. Well, what kind of food would you use type of place? Hi.
You have tickets today?
No. Can we get them?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you have them?
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
tickets. Cool. I can scan you in.
oh well, I was about to buy it twice.
What are you here for today?
Just
Yeah.
do it there. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Have fun.
So he said anything specific today, and she said she's browsing. Browsing what? Like, I don't understand. Browsing the farm? Browsing. Hey, start browsing.
That's a valid answer.
Start browsing. Nothing's open, boy. I could have been home sleeping on the sofa right now. Nothing's open. Okay, we came here. She said it's $5 for the entrance. So I'm like, okay, bet. It's pretty cheap. Everything's closed.
Farm's open.
The farm is open, but all the little vendors, the little shops, and the little small houses with the shops and stuff are closed. Where?
The other side.
Okay, so you have to pay $2 for these little ducks so you can race them down the track. But I ain't paying $2. I'm gonna just put the stick on here. Go, 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 go! Our wagon better not get stolen. How long's the ride? 10 minutes? Oh.
They don't have like.
Can I drive the tractor?
No, but maybe in the future.
Come on.
I keep telling them we should charge an extra rate for the buddy seat.
I'll show you the route.
Telling them, you know, Welcome to Pingles, everybody.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, the different ones, Royal Gala. We're getting off? Yeah. You want to pick some green beans? Look. Strawberry. Strawberry. Oh, you're wearing a strawberry outfit with the strawberry. Let's try the strawberries. Coast is clear. Mmm. Oh, these are sweet. Where I'm pointing the camera. 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock, please. Biggies, those are biggies. Emma. Yee-hoo. Emma. Yay, Emma, you picked one. Emma, look. No, you gotta pick them like this. Boom.
It's not worth it. It's $20 here.
Yeah. Done picking the strawberries.
Can you get a
Lemonade. Hi. Can I just get yeah, lemonade? You want strawberry lemonade or yeah, sure, whatever you want. Okay, strawberry lemonade. Hey. Another straw. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Strawberries in there. $8 for regular. I'm gonna just crush this. Put it in there. It's like $4. Whoa, bum. Ma. Oi. How did they hold it?
I'm scared. His tongue might touch me.
It's okay. How did the? Oh my god. Give it to him properly.
Oh, he took the tongue.
Oh my god, so what?
That's why. Oh! My god.
Come on.
Oh! Yay!
This one's got teeth.
Oh my gosh, babe.
Oh, they're making out. Look, they're making out. These cows are making out. Oi! Oh, they're just goats and sheep. Oh There's a donkey? There's ducks in here. Oh, the quack quack.
Images.
Like we need one of these. Let's go down the biggest slide. Oh. Whoa, this is crazy. That's crazy, though. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Sandwich King, Nona's Oven and Pizza. Okay, okay. Let's back it up into, let's back it up. Hey, back it up. Back it up into it, back it up, back it up, back it up. Kind of random food truck stall. What do you want? Huh? Check out the menus. 12-inch.
Yo, come on.
It's like full pizzas there only. Got tacos. This one is closed. And ice cream and just fried food. Just do one of these. I don't know. Greek. Hi, can I just get the chicken pita? Can I get the formaggi?
Formaggi?
Yeah, kind of dip, yeah.
Pepperoncino, ranch, creamy garlic, marinara.
Creamy garlic.
You want tiramisu?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Unless if it comes with it.
I'm offering dessert. Get back.
Yeah.
He's from Hong Kong.
Hong Kong, okay. Close by.
Close by.
Close
yeah.
by. Alright, grab some pizza. Yeah.
Where'd you buy that? You don't mind me asking.
Amazon.
Amazon.
Has the gimbal like with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's that called?
DJI Osmo Pocket 3.
DG.
Right here. Pocket 3 and then the DJI.
Okay, DGI. Oh,
Yeah.
I love gadgets.
Oh, you look,
There you go, my friend.
oh, it's ready. Yeah, I got it here. Thank you. Some sort of oil ring, but